You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this beautiful name of the capital of the United States Virgin Islands. It looks like a very French name, but it's named in honor of a Danish king, Christian V's wife. Very French name. Charlotte Amalie would be the French pronunciation here. Charlotte Amalie. Now, in English, the official language on the island is pronounced Charlotte, just like the city of Charlotte, United States. Charlotte Amalie. In French, again, it would be Charlotte Amalie. In English, however, locally, Charlotte Amalie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.